Hey, it's Charlie. In this video, we'll walk you through how to reserve a meeting room and invite visitors using the Offision booking form. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. Open the floor plan and click on the room you need. Then drag and select the time slot for your meeting. This helps you visually pick the right space and time. In the booking form, you can easily change the room to reserve by search for them by location and capacity to make sure it fits your needs. Next, choose any room services you need, like catering or room setup. Invite your colleagues and external guests to the meeting. The system will send invitation emails to your visitors so everyone stays informed. Once your reservation is complete, the room will appear in red on the floor plan during its reserved time. That's it. Your meeting is booked and ready to go. Thanks for watching. Start using Offision today to make room booking and visitor management simple and efficient.